The Indian Removal Act in the event of the Trail of Tears was caused by the European settlers taking the Indian land. The Native Americans were seen as inferior, less intelligent savages. The Europeans had government and power. It was seen that the person who had more land would have more power.
From. So Jackson passes the Indian Removal Act in 1830, and basically what this does is it makes it okay for the United States government to take Native Americans from their land and move them someplace else. Believe it or not, that was actually a law. Yeah, crazy, I know. So what the law does is it takes lands out in the West. In this particular case, it was in Oklahoma, and it blocks those lands off. They're called reservations. Native Americans are then moved from their traditional homelands in the East and pushed out into that land in the West, and there's really nothing that they can do about it.